How to install KSign latest version. Firstly, you're gonna launch the Safari and go to this website here, coinbn.io.bn. You're gonna find this install DNS profile option. Tap on install DNS profile, allow, and profile has been downloaded. Go to settings. Inside the settings page, tap on profile downloaded and install this CoinBN DNS. Once the DNS has been installed, go back to the same website. If you scroll down, you'll see there are lots of KSign files. Now these first two are recently added here. KSign from EEO Education and Central Power Information Technology Company. You can install any one. So I'm gonna tap on the first one here and install. Let's go to home screen to check this. And it's right here. If you try to open this, it will not open. We're gonna have to go to settings once again. Inside the general settings page, scroll down. We're gonna find the VPN, DNS and device management. Scroll down once again. And we have got enterprise app section here. We had installed the EEO Education Limited version of KSign. Tap on EEO Education here and trust it. Trust. Once it's been trusted, go back. Now go back to the same website. Now if you scroll up here, just below the install DNS profile, you will get the download certificate. Tap on download certificate, download. Once the certificate has been downloaded, go to files app to see the certificate downloaded here. I'm inside the downloads folder here. Scroll down and the certificate file that we just downloaded is here. It's in zip form. Tap on the zip file to extract it. It's been extracted, is here. Go inside it and we're gonna need this certificate here, EEO Education Limited. Just take note of this because we had installed the KSign of EEO Education version. Now just go back to home screen, launch KSign, go to settings, scroll down. Inside the features section, tap on certificates. Tap on plus here, choose import KSign file. Go to your download section and certificate CoinVN folder and choose this one here, EEO Education. Import it here. Now you can proceed to install the iPA files. Let's import the iPA files. Go to library section, tap on plus, import from files. Import any iPA file that you have on your iPhone. Suppose this one here. It's been imported. Now tap and sign and install. Start signing. Install. And it's done. Let's go to home screen to check this. And it's right here, the installed app. You can open it and use it. So that's how you can install the KSign app and use it to sign and install the iPA files on iPhone. Just like this video and subscribe to this channel.